When it comes to sustainable weight loss, it's important to focus on healthy habits and long-term lifestyle changes rather than quick-fix diets. Here are some strategies for sustainable weight loss. Set realistic goals. Set achievable and realistic weight loss goals that are based on your individual needs and health. Aim for gradual weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week, as this is more sustainable and easier to maintain. Eat a balanced diet. Instead of following restrictive diets, focus on eating a balanced and nutritious diet that includes a variety of whole foods. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Portion control is also important. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly, savor your meals, and listen to your body's signals. Avoid distractions while eating, such as watching TV or using electronic devices. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day can help control hunger, support metabolism, and maintain overall health. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day. Incorporate physical activity. Engage in regular physical activity to support weight loss and overall health. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a part of your daily routine. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Practice portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls, measure out servings, and pay attention to recommended serving sizes on food labels. Learning to recognize appropriate portion sizes can help you maintain a healthy calorie balance. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, as stress can often lead to emotional eating or unhealthy food choices. Engage in activities that help you relax and reduce stress, such as exercise, meditation, yoga, or spending time with loved ones. Get adequate sleep. Lack of sleep can affect appetite-regulating hormones, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support weight management and overall well-being. Seek support. Consider seeking support from a registered dietitian, a weight loss support group, or a healthcare professional who can provide guidance and help you stay accountable to your goals. Focus on long-term sustainability. Instead of viewing weight loss as a short-term goal, focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can maintain in the long run. This includes adopting healthy eating habits, staying physically active, and finding a balance that works for you. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a gradual process that requires patience, consistency, and a focus on overall health. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice and guidance tailored to your specific needs.